Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my lecture is about control, regulatory and protective system of the body. At first, control system of body. The human body has thousands of control systems. Some of the most intricate of these systems are the genetic control systems that operate in all cells to help control intracellular and extracellular functions. Many other control systems operate within the organs to control functions of individual part of organs. Others operate throughout the entire body to control the interrelation between the organs. For instance, respiratory system operating in association with nervous system that regulate the concentration of carbon dioxide in ECF. Secondly, the liver and pancreas regulate the concentration of glucose in ECF, and kidney regulate concentration of hydrogen, sodium, potassium, phosphate and other ions in ECF. All organs and organ system of the body help in maintenance of homeostasis. The systems are cardiovascular system, respiratory, nervous, endocrine, gastrointestinal, excretory, skeletal and reproductive system. At first, cardiovascular system, which transport oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrient and hormones to and from the body cells. It helps regulate the pH and temperature. It also provides protection against disease. Secondly, respiratory system, which exchanges the gases between atmospheric air and blood. It also adjusts the body pH. Thirdly, nervous system, which generates nerve impulse. It's called action potential that provide communication and regulation of most body tissues. Fourthly, endocrine system, which regulate the activity and growth of target cell in the body. It's regulate metabolism. 5. Gastrointestinal system. It's break down the food into absorbable form. It absorbs various nutrients and eliminate waste from the body. Skeletal system. Bones provide support, protection and production of blood cell. Muscle produce body movement and produce heat to maintain the body temperature. Excretory system, it's help eliminate the waste product from body. It also maintain the blood pH, volume, pressure, osmolarity, electrolyte composition, etc. It's also produce hormones. Then reproductive system. Sometimes reproduction is not considered a homeostatic functions. It helps maintain homeostasis by generating new being to take place of those that are dying, and thus help in maintaining the continuity of life. Then regulatory system. The ability of an organism to maintain a stable internal conditions in a constantly changing environment. These systems are nervous system and hormonal system. Nervous system regulates many muscular and secretory activities of body, and hormonal system regulate many metabolic functions. This slide is very important. Nervous and hormonal system normally work together in a coordinated manner to control essentially all of the organ system of body. Hormone provides a system for regulation that complements nervous system. Nervous system is called immune system and hormonal system is called postal system, and both are regulated by brain. At first, nervous system. Nervous system composed of three major parts: sensory input portion, central nervous system or integrative portion, and thirdly, motor output portion. Central nervous system is composed of brain and spinal cord. Brain can store information, generate thought, create ambition, and determine reaction that body perform in response to sensation. Sensory receptor detect the state of body or surroundings. Appropriate signals are then transmitted through motor output portion of nervous system to carry out one's desires. Receptors in skin alerts us whenever an object touches the skin at any point. Eyes are sensory organs that give us visual image of surrounding area. The ears are also sensory organs. An important segment of nervous system is called autonomic system. It operates at a subconscious level and controls many functions of internal organs. As an example, pumping activity of heart, movement of gastrointestinal tract, secretion of many body's glands. Secondly, hormonal system. 8 major endocrine glands and several organs and tissues secrete chemical substance which is called hormones. Hormones are transported in extracellular fluid to other part of body to help regulate cellular functions. As an example, thyroid hormone increase rate of most of the chemical reactions. Insulin control glucose metabolism. Adrenocortical hormones control sodium, potassium and protein metabolism. Parathyroid hormone control bone calcium and phosphate. Then protection system of the body. It has two systems, immunosystem and integumentary system. At first, immunosystem. The immunosystem consists of WBC, that is white blood cell. Tissue cells derive from WBC, thymus, lymph node and lymph vessel that protect the body from pathogens. Pathogens means bacteria, virus, parasites, fungi, etc. Immunosystem provides a mechanism for body to distinguish its own cell from foreign cell and substance. Secondly, destroy the invader by pathogenesis and producing sensitized lymphocytes or specialized protein, that means antibodies that either destroy or neutralize the invader. Secondly, the integumentary system. The skin and its various appendages, that means hair, nails, gland and other structure which cover, cushions and protect the deeper tissues and organs of the body and generally provide a boundary between body's internal environment and outside world. The integumentary system is also important for temperature regulation and excretion of waste and provides a sensory interface between body and external environment. Skin generally comprises about 12 to 15% of body weight. It contributes to homeostasis by protecting the body and helping regulate body temperature. It also allows to sense pleasurable, painful and other stimuli in external environment. The golden goal of every organ is to maintain the homeostasis. If there is external or internal change, it causes internal changes results of loss of homeostasis. Then organism attempts to compensate. If compensation fails, then disease occurs. If compensation is succeed, then wellness is done. Thank you for your patience hearing.